We'll guide you through how to return Amazon items. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Amazon, and so you want to go and return an item. Perhaps it doesn't work, it's not right, it doesn't fit, or there's different reasons why. But we're going to guide you through the steps you need to go and take. You can go and return it and go and get a refund. You can go and get it straight to your bank account, or you can get it as Amazon credit. So we're going to guide you through the steps. So what you need to do is you need to come down to the bottom and we need to go and find the item and the order we want to go and return. So there are different ways you can go about this, but what you can do for the first way is go and press the user icon like so. Then you can go to the top and you can go and press orders. Alternatively, you can press those three lines at the bottom over to the right. And then what you can do is go and press your orders at the top. Now what we need to do is go and find the order and the item we want to do this with. In this case, I want to do it with this power adapter here. Now it's important to note that not all orders and items will be eligible, so you have to go and check. So in this case, I want to go and tap on it like this. Now what you need to do is you need to go and scroll down and you can go and see here, I can return or replace the items, and this is eligible until the 28th of February. So you've roughly got about a month as it was delivered on the 29th. So we can then go and tap there. Then what you need to do is go and give the reason for why you're returning this, whether it's defective or doesn't work, or you can go into the different reasons here. For example, it could be an accidental order. So I'll select that there. Then what you can do is go and add in details saying, I could say something like, I ordered this by mistake. Then what you can do is you can go and add more items to the return if you want to, and we can go and press continue. Next, what you can do is it's going to go and see if they can go and help you via product support. But in this case, I'm going to press continue to return. So here I can choose how I want the refund to be. I can refund it to my balance, or I can go and do it to my card. Then you can go and scroll down and we can go and press continue. And next you can go and choose how you want to go and do the return. So you can go and do it via Asda store, via post office. Of course, this will go and vary. I'll do it with a post office. You can see here there's no label required. You're going to get a QR code. You show this at the post office or whatever the point is, and they'll be able to go and get this sticker for you. Then what you can do is go and press confirm your return. Here I'm getting offered a partial return. So what I could do is press yes, but if you want to return it, you could press no, I want to return it. And now as you can see, it's been successfully started. So I'm going to go and receive the QR code and I can scan that at the post office. That's it, and you can be able to return it. You can see here the return request is now confirmed. Go and package up the item. Once it's packaged, now if you scroll down the page, you're going to go and see the QR code here. Also, if you go and check your inbox, it'll be in there as well. So go to the return point you went and selected and go and show them the QR code. They can go and print out the label